crikey! You wouldn't believe what I just discovered back here in the swamplands. VooDooDating.com. It's amazing. It's an elusive, creative little critter. And you gotta be careful, because if it gets activated, it just goes wild. Just crazy wild. So, I gotta be very quiet, because I don't want to disturb these lads and lasses too much, as they often gather in packs. So there could be more of them scattered around here everywhere. Oh mate, I'm gonna go back in, give them a little tickle. VooDooDating.com, oh, New Orleans style, where magic happens, mate. Magic.